Hi, I'm Emma and I'm here to show you some tips and techniques of how to do beautiful makeup. In the description below are the links to all the products I use in this tutorial. Any questions, please leave me a comment below. Hi, so today I'm going to do a day to night makeup. So this is a transition from last week's supernatural makeup. So first of all, I'm going to start using my eye crayon. This is like an eye kohl, it's just a fatter crayon. Slight grease to it, so it's easy to move and blend, but it does dry. So I'm putting it on the back of my hand, putting the pigment on the back of my hand, using a brush, and then applying it to the eye. And I'm just sculpting out the same shape as I did last week along the socket line, and taking a slight wing at the edge. And then using my MAC 224, I'm going to go straight in with the pigment. This is a beautiful, it's called Nocturnal Nirvana Eyeshadow Quad, and it's by McGrath Labs, and this is Blitz Aquamarine, and it's a beautiful turquoise colour. So I'm just going over the Chanel crayon because this Chanel crayon was slightly greasy. When I put the pigment on, it sticks and holds. So that's a little trick, and I just keep obviously going over it, make sure it's blended, put it in the right areas, try and keep the socket line quite clean this time, so you've got quite a defined shape rather than it being blended off too much above the socket line. So I've got a really nice, so I'm just going to clean off any hard edges using a clean MAC 224 brush. So just on the lids there, so it's not too intense on the inner eye. Using my brush, I'm just using my concealer brush just to give that wing a little bit more of a shape. And then again using a clean brush just to clean off any pigment that's gone up into the brow bone, so that I'm going to put some highlighter there so it really gives that contrast. So here we go, I'm just using my McGrath highlighter Balm, and I'm adding a little bit of the nude onto the lid, and then I'm going to go back in with my small thin brush, which is like a 221. I can't remember where this brush is from. Anyway, and I'm just using the pigment and just going on that outer eye corner, and this will help give that more depth to the eye makeup by just putting a touch there. And this is my highlighter stick again. I'm using that on the inner eye corners and on the Cupid's bow to throw a bit of highlight that way. Again, it's all highlight and shade. And then just going to reinforce the Duo Balm on the lid and on the cheek and temples, high cheek and temples. And then also I'm going to put a little bit into the brow bone, so that you've got a really nice highlighted brow bone today. This is my pigment. This is Reflex Pearls from MAC, and they're beautiful glittery kind of shiny pigment, and it's really good to highlight the lid. So I've put that on Annabelle's lids. Obviously get rid of any excess spillages with your concealer brush. I'm going to put some Reflex Pearls on the inner eye corner just to give that extra depth of highlight, and on the brow cheek bone temple area. Get rid of any spillages with the concealer brush, and then add in a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes, and she's already got it on the top, but I'm just reinforcing the bottom lashes. And I like using my white kohl pencil because it really opens up the eye, so I run that along the waterline. My blusher is the same as last week, which is the G-Spot, and just putting that on with the same fibre optic brush, just on the apples of the cheeks, blending it back, and then I'm just going to go back in and add a little bit of lip balm to the lips before I put any colour to them. And today I think I'm going to use my YSL. It's a nude lipstick. It's quite sheer and it's beautiful, and it's not going to look like lipstick. It's going to just look like a paler lip, but a sheer pale lip with no hard edges this time. so no Subculture pencil. And just go in with a little bit of this Nars. It's a lip balm oil, it's a new one, it's really great. So by adding that to the centre of the mouth, basically you're highlighting the lips and it just gives them the illusion of them looking slightly bigger. So powdering down the T-zone, getting rid of any hot spots and shine. And there you go, that's the day to night. So it's really easy in transition, beautiful colours, pigments. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and comment. New videos are going to be uploaded onto my channel every Saturday, so please subscribe.